If you're trying to make a second YouTube channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. And you could use that same exact technique to make channel 3, 4, 5, as many as you like. Now there's two ways you could do this. One way is you could have everything under the same Google account. So once you create a Google account, you could have multiple different channels on one account, like 5, 6, 7 different channels. Another way is if you want them to be completely separate, they could be under 2 different Google accounts. That's just basically you created a brand new account with Google and made a YouTube channel. That's sort of the same way you made your first channel. I'm not going to cover that here. I'm going to cover how to add a second, third, fourth channel under the same Google account. And I will also include a link below that shows you exactly how to grow a YouTube channel. I've used it now to grow this channel to over 100 million views, and I've monetized 4 channels in total. So that walks you through step by step on how I got there, and you could follow that same path, and it's a completely free training. Let's jump in and make our second YouTube channel. So go to youtube.com and log into your very first channel. So press sign in, log into that Google account. Once you do, press this icon right here. And let me just show you, I'm gonna go to switch accounts. And you could see these 2 new channels are under one Google account. They're associated with this Google account. But underneath that, there's another Google account here that has other channels. So this way you could add multiple channels on one Google account and you never have to create a second one. It just makes things a little bit more confusing. I recommend you just add everything under the same Google account. So to add your second channel, press the profile icon here and then go down to settings down here. Now to add a channel here on that same Google account, go ahead and press add or manage channels. Now I already have 2 channels, so I'm gonna press create channel to create a third, but you could do this for your second channel, third channel, fourth channel. I think one of my accounts has 9 channels on it. And it says you can use a brand name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content, and you could change this at any time. So since we could change this at any time, it's no big deal. And you have up to 100 characters here. And I'm gonna check this on and press create. And if you get a message like this, that's okay. Press the icon right here, the profile icon, and go to your channel right here. And this is your new channel now with 0 subscribers, and you could go ahead and upload a video from here. But what I recommend you do first is you press customize channel, and you go through this whole setup process of customizing a channel. And I have a different video that shows you the first things you should do with every channel anyway. So I'll link that below. You could watch that after this video. I also recommend you sign up for TubeBuddy that I'll link below that shows you basically how to find search-based titles and SEO and ranking videos on search and all kinds of useful stuff. This is a free plugin as well. Now to switch between channels, let's say you have 2 now, you could click this account icon, go to switch account, and this lets you switch channels. So I could jump to this one, for example. Again, link to all the resources, including the complete content strategy that I've used to get to 100 million views, are linked below. And I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.